So guys, there's a new AI app that I wanted to share with you people today. It's like an app that is going to help many people who are into fitness YouTube channel to be able to make their work easy. So this app is a type of an app that helps you to convert your text to voice, like an AI voice, and it's very, very okay. It sounds very natural. The good thing about it is that it is free and you can use it unlimited. So if you are watching for the first time, there is two metrics, and I am here to make your YouTube channel grow. So very quickly, the name of this app is called Quick. That's what it's called, and the app, unlike some other app like Enable app that has a lot of paid features. This one have paid. It like it has a type of a pro feature, but the only difference between this one and the other one is the fact that this one has a lot of free feature that you will likely not even need the pro feature. So without wasting much time, let's dive right in.
Tube metrics. Decoding the algorithm. Dominating the game.
So it's an app, and you can also open it with your website. But in this video, I'm going to be opening it as an app. So here you will just go over to your app store. You have Google Play, it's also available in the Google Play, and you go over to your app store, and then you type the word click. I'm going to leave it in the description below, and then when you type it, you are going to see something like get started. If you are doing for the first time, you can just click on that. But me, as I'm already having an account, I'm going to click on login, and then you click on login or sign in by your email, and then it will take you to the interface where you can begin to convert your text to voice. So click allow. You make sure that all the folders are deleted. If it has more than 5 folders, you have to delete some if you are using a free version. But the good thing is that it is unlimited. You create a new folder, and then you write anything you want. Here I'm writing Grace. And then you click on the right top plus button, and then you just say it. You just write what you want, or maybe the script you copied from your ChatGPT, you can put it here. You choose your language. Here I'm going to use Nigeria. I'm going to use Nigeria, English, Nigeria, but there are a lot of languages you can see. All these languages are for free, guys. It's very, very important for you to know this. So, and then as fast. The good thing about the app is that it's a very, very fast app. You can see it has already done what it's supposed to do, and you can listen to it. After you listen to it, you are convinced over what you have done. You can go over there, and then you click the 3 button by the right. Click the 3 button by the right. You will see download. You download. And that's all for it, guys. So there are other AI apps that are available. I think I made a video about an AI app that can turn your text to video and your image to video. I'm going to give the link in the description, so that you can be able to see it. So now I'm watching for the first time, like I said, these two metrics, and here may make sure you grow on YouTube. Thank you.